My next Excel tip or tips are together, customize and reset quick access toolbar. It is Excel tip number 16 and 17, and I would like to show you how to customize or add icons here in this part of Excel. In generally, you have some icons, for example, for saving, undo, redo, AutoSave, but I edit, copy and conditional formatting here. And if you want to add some other icons or commands, you can go to this arrow and go to more commands, and now you see on the right side the icons which I already edit, and on the left side I see icons which I want to add. Quick access toolbar is efficient way how to reach or use icons which you should looking for, and instead of looking for, you can find on the one place and click one time and icons work. For example, I would like to add some more efficient or most useful icons. I can choose a category from popular commands to all commands, for example, and then I see some or all commands in Excel. For example, I add 3D map, I add 3D rotation or some other icon. And now when I click OK, you can see the icons here. But on the other side, you can, for example, remove or reset all icons here. So go to arrow, go to more commands, and then you can remove which you want, or here the left side is reset, and you can reset only quick access toolbar or other customizations. I click to reset on quick access toolbar, then I confirm yes, I would like to restore the previous settings of quick access toolbar. After OK, you can see the icons which were before. So this tip is I think very useful, because quick access toolbar is often used in a practice. Maybe one tip more: sometimes the quick access toolbar is not in this position but is below the ribbon. I click here and you can see on this side, but if you want to go back, make initially a position, then show above the ribbon. Bye bye.